Hi guys, how's it going? So, I got this incredible email the other day. Let me change this. I got this incredible email the other day by somebody called the Charlotte Mason Beehive. And they were like, hey, we saw you've been making Paper Sloyd videos forever. And they are a company. I went and looked at their stuff that makes, they have a lot of different curriculums, but the one that I thought was the coolest, of course, is Paper Sloyd. So they have a 4-year Paper Sloyd curriculum that you can buy, and it comes with everything that you need to do these projects. So this is the lesson guide. So this is what the teacher looks at. It tells you what to do in here and how to plan your lessons. So in here, like, it tells you what to do each week for term 1, term 2, or term 3, and how to plan it out. It's extremely in-depth. So I want to show you guys, I got the kit. I'm going to do this next year with both of my kids, even though my son is going into year 5 and my daughter's going to year 2. We're just going to start it because it's amazing. Let me show you what they got. So it is 3 different, you can buy these separately, but I got all 3 of them. So there's paper folding, paper tearing, and paper modeling. So I'm gonna tilt the camera down and show you. All right, so here is paper tearing. This is everything you get when you get paper tearing. So it comes with paper tearing and modeling from the torn material, which is by H.G. Patterson. I've never actually heard of this person, so that's why I was so interested in it. So in paper tearing, you're not cutting, so you don't need scissors. So it's great for like year 1. The kids don't have to try to navigate scissors and everything. So here is term 1, and here's a picture of all the different models you're gonna make, and I love how they have it in color here. It just adds so much dimension to it. Also included with this book, so here's the actual book. Here is what the card ruler instructions look like, and here's the written instructions. Here's measuring on a card ruler, a 5-inch square method. They also have it for a cutting mat for 100 millimeters, so depending on where you live. And there's just so many projects in here. So paper tearing comes with literally everything you need for this in this envelope. Look at this. Look how amazing this is. You don't have to gather all the supplies. They even have a pencil in here. A glue stick. Look how cool this is. It's just like a little kit. And if you think that's cool, look. Paper tearing, the instructor's diagram templates. So you know how I showed you that first one? So these are all the diagrams, so you can see exactly what you're cutting and folding. Not only that, but they made sure everything fits on a regular piece of paper. So you have all the 1x1 scale templates for all 32 models in this book. Then, in here, they give you all the paper and products you're going to need to make everything in paper tearing. Which I'm in love. So, as I said before, I got paper tearing, folding, and paper modeling, and the instruction booklet, which we're gonna start this term. So, this is what you get for paper modeling. Look at this. You get the same things, so let me unwrap this. I want to keep it together so I don't, well, it is labeled. So here's the instruction booklet. Here is everything you need. Look at this. Everything you need for paper modeling, right here. Look at that. Look at this. Here's all the papers that you need to do paper modeling. And here is the instructor's diagram templates on a 1x1 scale for all 44 models. And then the same thing for paper folding. You guys, I cannot wait to do this. What I might do is I might film a lesson with my kids and show the first one. But since this is a kit and it's new, They made this. So since this whole kit thing is probably licensed by this family-run business, the Charlotte Mason Beehive, which is so cool. Look, here's a picture of them. So it says Charlotte Mason Beehive is a small family-run business founded upon the methodology of Victorian educator Charlotte Mason and the work of Parents National Education Union. Located in the heart of rural England, we provide content and educational resources with a view to enabling parents and educators. So I will leave this website in case you want to get this whole kit. This is amazing. If you want to do paper Sloyd and paper modeling and you feel stressed and don't know what to do, this kit is just, look at this. Everything you need. My kids are going to love this. I'm going to love it. So I just thought this was the coolest thing and that you guys would really enjoy it. I can't wait to get started and do this. And since my kids are older, maybe we can just go through the year 1 and start on year 2 and do it real quickly. So you guys, if you would like a full course where everything's included and everything is that you need, you guys should go to the Charlotte Mason Beehive and look up their course in Paper Sloyd. Isn't this just the neatest thing you've ever seen?